Hey everyone. So after about a year of rethinking, recoding, and retesting, I'm about 3 weeks away from releasing Lead Manager Beta 6. There's a lot of stuff that's different, and I just want to give you a quick teaser on one particular part of the program. So let's log in. Expand this a little bit so you get more of a view. We'll go into the Lead Manager portion of the application. And right now I've set it up where it's blank. So let's import some leads. Take some example records I have. Select the lead type. We'll just do probate and general lead source. Now these guys I know are baseball players, so we'll add a tag for that. Go next, and now this is where I match up the columns from the spreadsheet to the database columns. And there's also, I have some custom fields that you can add in, which I'll explain in another video. Next, and these are the leads that will be entered into the system. Now import, showing 5 records and 5 in. Now close, and there they are. Now the next thing I want to show you is if you were to come into say Derek Jeter, double click on him, you can see here is where the tags are, and you see baseball players. You can also add some more tags here. We'll edit tags, and he's a shortstop. Add that in as a new lead since it doesn't exist already. We'll add it. Now he's a shortstop. And now if we browse down on the general information for Derek Jeter, you'll see the property, address, some information about the property, a Google map showing exactly where the property is located, some breakdown on the costs and your offer, and then the mailing address, which sometimes is the property address, sometimes it's for an out-of-state owner, it will be another address. And down here is where you see the custom fields. To go through this is part of another video. This one's just going to concentrate on tags. So we'll close here. And now another way to add a tag is you can right-click on a lead in this lead list, go to Tag Manager. Say for Jose Reyes, he's also a shortstop, so see, we start typing shortstop, it shows up in the list, which means it's already there. Select it. Now Jose Reyes is a shortstop. We can also select multiple people by holding down Control, right-clicking, going to Tag Manager, and it will show all the tags that each one of the leads that you've selected has in common. We can add a new tag. We'll add second base. Baseman, because these people are second basemen. Add that, correct, close. So that is how you can add tags in multiple ways, in groups and bunches. You can also delete. It's a great way just to organize your leads, so you can later come back and take a look. Say, okay, I want to come over here and just view all the shortstops. Say I have more than 2. Show the shortstop, add. And now we'll just see the shortstops. But we don't want to see the shortstops anymore. We want to see the second baseman. And there they are. Clear that off. Clear that off. And now we just want to go see all the probate properties. Hit that in there. Here's all the probate. Now we say probate and shortstops. There you go. Now I can pick probate or shortstops too by selecting this box. So now it's showing all the leads that have probate or shortstop in it. In this case, it's all my leads. So let's close out of here, go back to all. And now another way to search your leads is a typical search. You can search by name, address, whatever. This search box will do anything. I'll show you. Say we want to search for Jeter. Enter, and there we go. It'll search for the word Jeter in any of the owner full name, address, city, zip code, property, address, city, state, zip code, or phone number. And I'll show you an example of something that searches multiple areas. Say we'll go with New York. All the people that are in New York. Now here to come back with owner city, New York, New York. Makes it quick and easy. Alright, so now that we've done some searching, let's say Brian Roberts gives us a phone call. So we can search for Roberts, find Brian Roberts, and he's not too interested in selling, so we're just gonna close out him. So we right click, select close. Now it'll ask us why we're closing it, and he's just not motivated. So hit OK. And then just because he called, it's going to ask you, as well as the closing reason, if you want to mark him as having responded. In this case, yes, we do. So there you go. You see the closing icon and then a little phone saying that he's responded. So we clear the search back up, and there you have it. Now we can also just do other things like right click, mark as respond, or if you get return mail, you can mark it, say return because there's no receptacle. So it automatically puts an envelope there with a minus saying it's been returned, and it's closed out the lead so you don't mail them again. Now this is just a quick little teaser video on how tags work in SI Lead Manager Beta 6. It's much different than Beta 5. Takes a little bit of getting used to, at least the way that I think on how this works. If you have any questions, or if you're looking for some answers about what Beta 6 provides, just send me an email, and just remember it should be out in about 3 weeks. Thank you and have a nice night.